Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. Today's problem number 1436, destination city. You are given the array paths. The paths of I is a list with elements city A and city B. Means there exists a direct path going from city A to city B. Return the destination city, that is the city without any path outgoing to another city. It's guaranteed that the graph of paths forms a line without any loop. Therefore, there will be exactly one destination city. So let's do it. The easiest way how to solve it, we need to collect in different sets all destinations and all sources. So in our initial array, one set will be collected first in index. So 0 index is first element of each item, and destination set will be collected first index of each item. And after it, we can find the difference between these sets, and this final set will have only one item is the result destination, and we need to return it. Let's do it. First of all, let's create two empty sets, source and dest. After it, let's go through initial paths and get two cities A and B. So for A and B in paths, and let's add A to source. To add some item to the set, we use a method add, and add B to dest. And finally, let's return the difference, dest minus source. And now we have a set with only one item, but we need to return a string. So to do it, we can transform this set to the list and return first element at index 0. Let's check tests. Yes, what is small mistake. Yes, test passed, submitted. This algorithm has a linear time complexity because we have one loop, depends on the length of paths, and it has also linear memory complexity because we created two sets, also depends on the length of paths. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.